everybody, it's Dea here from my Oakland Girls, and today I'm going to be reacting to the new ATEEZ collab with Jong. It's called Pada. You know what? I'm not going to try it. I'm excited. It looks like it's going to be a good song. The teaser sounded great, and yeah, let's get right on into it. In 3, 2, 1, go.
있잖아 내가 널 사랑하나 봐 아직 말 못했지만 가슴 한켠에
I'm so happy Mingy is back.
잠깐만 어색한 사이가 될 수 있어도 오늘만큼은
Mingy Center. Oh, what a summer song. Oh. For all the broken hearts? Is this a breakup song? They're so cute. The besties. I love Hongjoon's rapper tag. I don't know if I've mentioned that before in any of the videos, but the oh my god, so cool rapping! Jong healing vocal forever. I'm sorry, but he's a good singer, but he looks so awkward. The tallest and biggest one amongst a bunch of tiny humans around him, because he makes Yuno look short. Like, this man's a giant. Rapper Hwa. ATEEZ's new rap line. Hongjoon, Mingy, Songhwa. I love it. They're really pushing the Mikas and Ardas friendship here. We love a good bromance. This is so cute. Is it bad that I just want to like pinch all of it? Probably. It stopped recording. I don't know where it stopped recording, but it's okay. Just gonna roll with it. Give me a few seconds. And okay, I think whatever. Even if I don't know where the video ended, it cut off. But anyways, they're so cute. I love ATEEZ with the bottom of my heart. They just released Superstars, and I have been playing that all day. they released it today, and this is when I, of course, took the chance to watch and react to ATEEZ. But that game is so good. Like, I love it. And if the Hala Hala version 2 doesn't kill me, then Wonderland version 2, like verse 2, sorry, not version, verse 2 is gonna kill me, because I cannot for the life of me get 3 stars on either of those, and it's driving me nuts. Also, surprisingly enough, the Twilight version 1 is pretty hard. It's all this, like, the dragging one. Hate it. But anyways, this song, beautiful, wonderful, amazing. I love it. They're so cute. It's such a refreshing song. It's such a summer song. Their outfits on point. Everything about them on point. I love them. And yeah, anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you can leave a comment down below telling me what you liked about the music video, what your favorite ATEEZ song is, what you think of ATEEZ Superstars, what you want us to react to next, and any other content you want to see from our channel. Also, if you haven't already, like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to be notified of our future content when it drops, as soon as it drops. And yeah, anyways, bye!